Hi there, and welcome to Hyundai Power Products. My name's Adrian, and today we're going to look at the HYBV3000E Electric Leaf Blower back. First of all, may I say, don't use a sharp knife to open the box, as there's a possibility that the grass bag may be in the top and you may cut through the grass bag with a sharp knife. So I'd probably recommend using a scissors with a rounded end to open the box. So yeah, just insert your scissors, put the tape on the end, same the other end, and carefully lift up. Again, rounded end of the scissors, and we can slice open the box without any danger. Here we are, I'm cutting into the grass bag which is on the top. So that's opening the box. So I've laid the contents of the packaging out on the table for you to see. First of all, we have the blower vac itself with its 12-meter cable. We have the leaf collection bag here, which will show you how to fit that. The shoulder strap, and finally the user manual. Now I do recommend that you read the user manual thoroughly before use. And that's the contents of the packaging. So let's look at extending the pickup tube. We have a handle on the top here which pulls up, and we have a little white lever here on the black tube. If you push down on the white lever, we can extend the tube. And there we are, that's fully extended. If you're a little bit shorter person, such as myself, you can drop it back a number of clicks to make it more comfortable for yourself to operate. So I'll just show you that. There we are, I dropped it back a couple of clicks, and that would be about the right length for myself. Just to show you a few of the controls, we have the motor speed controller here, which goes from a minimum of 1 past 6 to the maximum there. So that alters the speed of the electric motor. So for the fiercest blow, you would be on maximum, and obviously the trigger is here to start and stop the motor. Here on the side of the unit, we have the changeover switch between vacuum and blow. Down here where it is at present is on the blow position. Up here would be for vacuum. So to fit the 45-litre collection bag, we need to put it here with the handle facing towards the operator handle of the machine. And you will see a clip here which fits into a slot here. So you just fit it in the slot there at the front and push it up into position, and that's the collection bag fitted. So to remove the collection bag, you will see this tongue here. You simply push down on the tongue and it will come away, and to refit it's back on, and it is very rigid. So to connect the shoulder strap, you'll see a little loop here on the top of the blower and a little clip, and that attaches the shoulder strap. And this can be adjusted to suit the individual depending on what length you want it. So to connect it, it comes supplied with a 13 amp plug. We can remove the protective cover. I shall plug it in and switch it on. Well, there we are. That's your blower back ready to use. That would be vacuum. And that would be to blow. When you're using it as a blower, you wouldn't need the grass bag in position. So purely as a leaf blower, the varying speeds of the motor I'll demonstrate. The fan in the motor has a cutting blade in it, which will reduce the volume of the dried leaves and twigs that you collect by up to a factor of 10. So you could take a large volume of dry leaves and twigs, the bag will fill up, and to empty the bag, you simply unzip here and the bag can be emptied. Now take great care not to pick up hard objects such as stones, glass, metals or anything like that when you're using your vacuum, as that will damage the impeller and the cutting blades. So dried leaves and twigs. Don't use your unit for the collection of wet leaves and twigs, as this can clog up the inlet tube and of course the pores in the bag as well. Well, I do hope you found this demonstration useful. For more information on this or any of our other products, visit www.hyundaipowerproducts.co.uk. I've been Adrian, and happy gardening.